What up, what up, what up, what up, what up, what it do? Welcome back to the fifth quarter panel. And if it's your first time, welcome to the fifth quarter panel, where it's all black, all bands, all the damn time. And I'm your host, Fred Dressel. We finna get into some more fifth quarter panel quick takes. And today, we doing the Jackson State Sonic Boom of the South against Southern University Human Jukebox. That's a rivalry where I'm from. That's a rivalry. Jackson State Southern, it's a rivalry. But they're playing folded back in 2025, so we're gonna see who played it best. Y'all let me know who y'all think played it best. But before we get into it, like, comment, subscribe, follow, holla at your boy, fifth quarter panel. So without any further ado, let's see what it do. We got the boom up first, Jackson State first. Let's see what we got. Shout out to the bass drums. Early. Nice flash with the trumpets. Oh, they grooving. Little conducted this one. Dr. Little, my bad. That sound real good. Balance. Hey, man. Y'all know the woodwinds giving that chili sauce, man. The chili sauce. Oh, Debbie Tip that go ham. Tuba dogs coming through. The ending kind of threw me off a little bit. I ain't gonna lie to you. I heard the song, I don't know it too well, but the ending threw me off. Let's see what Southern got. Them lights and them cymbals just right. Alright, shout out to the cymbals. I like that. Got our little cymbals. Alright, Will Williams get a little action now. Dancing dolls doing their thing. They balance for a change. This is not keeping me engaged though. It might just be me. It might be me. A little spice in there somewhere. Silver's doing that thing though for real. like that part. I like that. Oh, they're going now. They brought it back up. They brought it back up. Golden State's coming in. Alright, that's it. Alright. Make me big, make me big. Somebody play my goddamn theme music. There we go. I don't know what's the ending for both of the bands was a little tricky or something. I ain't like the endings for neither one of them. I don't know what happened at the end of the arrangement, but y'all know when Jack State play, I don't give no goddamn no votes. I don't say this, that, or the third. I don't get no funk face because y'all gonna say I'm biased, as always. I understand that because y'all right. But y'all let me know what y'all think. Who won? Who played it better? Who sounded better? Who was louder? Who had the best arrangement? And the ending, y'all let me know what's going on with the ending because both of them were different and both of them was kind of off to me. But that is me. And as always, I don't got a problem being wrong. No problem being wrong. But let me know in the comments who y'all think did the best. The Jack State University, Southern Boom of the South, or Southern University, Human Jukebox. Let me know. Holla at your boy, Fifth Quarter Panel. Like, comment, subscribe, follow. We're on the road to 100 subscribers. Trying to get to 100 subs. That's all I'm trying to do, 100 subs. Then we go to 200, then 300. But anyway, if you like anything about the video, hit that sub button. Fuck with your boy, Fred Drusser, Fifth Quarter Panel. We out. Actually, we not out. We are not out. Deuce one like Dion. I said Deuce one like Dion. I did like 5 videos today, man. I ain't tripping. But we up at this bitch. Holla back. Fifth Quarter Panel, Fred Drusser. We up at this hoe.